WHO said coronavirus vaccine nationalism will not help the world. Clashes between protesters and Lebanese security forces took place as protesters held anti-government demonstration in Beirut. Donald Trump says the US must end business with TikTok and WeChat. India coronavirus cases exceed 2 million. Saudi firefighters bring fire near Jeddah train station under control. Japan in the deal to purchase AstraZeneca's COVID vaccine. The Islamabad High Court Constitutes bench to hear case on appointment of Jadhav's lawyer.